Hi guys, I've got the first batch of Vibrons ready for shipment and I'll ship them today to all of you guys who wanted to get them ASAP and do not want to wait for the thread adapters. So I'll send the thread adapters to you guys later on once they arrive, hopefully in 1 to 2 weeks time. So for all of you guys who are waiting patiently for them combined all together, thank you very much for your patience and I highly appreciate it. And I'm gonna upgrade everybody to Global Express shipping. So this batch, if you ordered them without the thread adapters, you should get them within a week, when doesn't matter where you live. And all combined with threads, I hope they will be ready by the end of the month. I'm still waiting for the thread adapters though. I've got this worked out, this prints out perfectly and works beautifully. And one more thing, an update on the Viper. Basically, I'm listening to them every day, and for like last week or 10 days maybe even, I try to do small crossover adjustments, but I'm always getting back to what I have at the moment. So I consider the project to be finished. And you guys asked about the colors. Yes, they will be black, white, gray, yellow, red, blue. There's plenty of colors to choose from for the 3D printing PETG, so those will be those. And I've got two SVS 2000 Pro subwoofers now, so they complement the monitors perfectly.
I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone. And now I'm lost. Finally, I think I can see clearly now. I'm in love. Think about me one more time before you slowly. I'm so took me away from all of my things slowly. I'm so kept me away from all of my things slowly. I'm so an ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole light, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I inside this narrow